What if the air we breathe is more than just oxygen and carbon dioxide? What if every breath carries fragments of consciousness, tiny echoes of thought, memory, and emotion that spread across the planet like invisible waves? Imagine your first breath as a newborn. For the first few years, the breath you exhale disperses, travels, and mingles with billions of others. Somewhere around the age of 2 or 3, the full cycle completes. The world has breathed you in, and you have breathed the world in. That's when something strange happens. The ego forms. Not because it's some illusion to be destroyed, but because it's a necessity. Ego is not the enemy. It's a rainbow. Picture light shining through mist. The light is your higher dimensional self, pure and unbroken. The mist is the breath field, this shared atmospheric medium of consciousness. And the rainbow that appears, that is ego. A projection, not fake, not separate, but a refracted version of something larger. The ego gives us the ability to see ourselves as distinct, to navigate linear time, to build an identity. Without it, we'd be lost in the haze of infinite connection. The separation is what allows the story of you to unfold. But here's the twist. The ego is also interference. Just like the double-slit experiment reveals hidden dimensions of light, the ego's interference pattern reveals hidden dimensions of consciousness. It is the byproduct of countless breaths colliding, overlapping, resonating. Dense populations speed up the process. More breaths, more resonance, more complex egos. Sparse areas slow it down. The breath field is a planetary mirror, shaping how quickly and how deeply we come to know ourselves. So when you inhale, you are not just taking in air, you are taking in a piece of everyone who has ever lived and everyone who will live. You are participating in a planetary loop of consciousness. And maybe the true illusion isn't ego itself, but forgetting that the rainbow is made of light. Just like experiments peel back layers of reality, observation reveals surprising structure. In crowded places, breaths mingle faster, resonance compounds. In quiet places, the pattern unfolds more slowly. Our egos help us act, remember, choose, making personal narratives possible. The interference is not just noise, it encodes history, emotion, and potential. Still, the rainbow lets each of us orient, so the story of you has texture and edge. Egos enable cooperation and difference. They generate culture, art, and progress. If the ego is a rainbow, then remembering the light changes everything. When you breathe, you are part of a loop that is scientific and sacred at once. The ego can be a map, not a prison. So breathe with a little more awareness. You carry pieces of everyone, and they carry you. Remember the light that makes the rainbow. We are refracted and whole. We are interference and light. And maybe that remembering is the work.